Snoring reasons. Snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This makes the surrounding tissues vibrate, which produces the familiar snoring sound. People who snore often have too much throat and nasal tissue or floppy tissue that is more prone to vibrate. The position of your tongue can also get in the way of smooth breathing. Since people snore for different reasons, it's important to understand the causes behind your snoring. Once you understand why you snore, you can find the right solutions to a quieter, deeper sleep for both you and your partner. Change your sleep position. Lying on your back makes the base of your tongue and soft palate collapse to the back wall of your throat, causing a vibrating sound during sleep. Sleeping on your side may help prevent this. A body pillow, a full-length pillow that supports your entire body, provides an easy fix. It enables you to maintain sleeping on your side and can make a dramatic difference. Elevate the head of your bed. An easy way to do it is to place several flat boards under the legs at the top end of the bed. A couple of short lengths of 2x8s or 2x10s under each leg should raise the bed enough to do the trick. Lose weight. This will help reduce the amount of tissue in the throat that might be causing your snoring. You can lose weight by reducing your overall caloric intake by eating smaller portions and more healthy foods. Make sure you get regular exercise daily. You may also consider seeing your doctor or a nutritionist for help. Limit or avoid alcohol. Alcohol relaxes most people, and because snoring occurs when the throat and tongue is relaxed, alcohol can add to the problem due to the extreme relaxed state it may cause. This could actually make your snoring worse. Limit your alcohol consumption or avoid it altogether to get a much better night's sleep. Quit smoking. Smoking irritates the tissue of your mouth, nose and throat, which can result in swelling that obstructs your airway. In fact, the likelihood of snoring increasing with the amount of cigarettes smoked per day. Add ending your snoring habit to the list of reasons to kick your smoking habit. Stay hydrated. Drink water to stay hydrated. When you're dehydrated, the mucus in your nose and throat becomes stickier and can amplify the sound of snoring. While many of these other tips will help lubricate your nasal passages, if you're not drinking enough water daily, it might be time to start upping your intake. However, it's not just first-hand smoke that can impact your snoring. Inhaling second-hand smoke can cause the same issues, especially in young children. For everyone's health, it's best to maintain a smoke-free home. Avoid dairy products. Drinking milk or having other dairy products can make snoring much worse because it leaves a layer of mucus in your mouth and throat. This mucus adds to the blockage of the airways. Also, try to avoid eating a big meal just before bedtime. When your stomach is full, it can push up against your diaphragm and affect your rhythmic breathing. Get enough sleep. Being overtired actually alters the way your body responds to sleep, sending you into a deep state of sleep that leads to overly relaxed muscles. Floppy muscles in the mouth and throat are more easily made to vibrate as we breathe, causing snoring. Practicing good sleep hygiene by sticking to a set wake-sleep schedule and ensuring you are getting the right amount of sleep each night will prevent sleep deprivation. Use nasal sprays. If your nose is congested or dried out, using nasal sprays and rinses can help irrigate and replenish much-needed moisture. A plain saline solution is often just as effective as medicated formulas. You can also try using steam to clear your sinuses. Take a hot shower before bed, or fill a bowl with boiling water and place a towel over